Okay, good day guys. In this video, we are going to focus on joining methods, right? So without wasting any time guys, let's quickly take a look at our given question. This question is from one of the previous question papers, which is Mechanical Technology, November 2021, grade 12, right? So let's take a look at the given questions. 10.1, they want us to name 3 different screw threads profiles found in the machine workshop, right? So these things, guys, they are there in your textbook. They are there and there are many. But in this case, they want us to name only 3, right? So 10.1, okay? Number 1, we have square thread, right? We have square thread, screw, and then number 2, we have V thread, screw, and then another one is buttress, thread, screw, right? So yeah, okay, let me give you a bonus or bonuses. Another one, we have knuckle, thread, screw, and then lastly we've got this one. I don't know how to pronounce it guys, but it's written as acme or asme, right? Thread. Okay, so I gave you guys 2 bonuses. So those are the 3 different screw thread profiles found in the machine workshop, right? Okay, so now let's carry on and go to 10.2. 10.2, we are given that a 2-stud square thread has to be cut on a lathe. The lead of square thread is 36 millimeters and the crest diameter is 80 millimeters. Then the clearance angle must be 3 degrees, right? Okay. 10.2.1, they want us to calculate the pitch diameter, guys, right? They want us to calculate the pitch diameter, but for us to get the pitch diameter, we must first calculate the pitch, and to get the pitch we must have the lead equal to pitch multiplied by the number of studs, right? So we have the lead, it's given as 36, right? And the pitch is the one that we are looking for, and the number of studs is 2, right? So to get P, we'll say 32, no, 36 divided by 2, and then the pitch is 18 millimeters, right? We are not done because the question wants us to calculate the pitch diameter, right? Therefore, the pitch diameter, guys, now that we have the pitch, to get the pitch diameter, which is PD equal to D minus P over 2, right? And then D is the diameter of the crest, guys, which is 80, minus P, it's the pitch that we just calculated, it's 18, and then over 2. Therefore, we find the pitch of diameter to be, let's put everything into the calculator, it's 80 minus 18 over 2, which is 71 millimeters, right? The pitch diameter, guys, we find it to be 71 millimeters. Okay, so that's it for 10.2.1. Now let's go and solve 10.2.2. Likewise, guys, I'm going to need this space. Going to need this space, guys. I'm sorry about that. I need this space. Right? Okay, so 10.2.2 10.2.2, they want us to calculate what? To calculate the helix diameter, right? And then to find the helix diameter, it's the tan of alpha or the tan of theta or the tan of beta. It depends on which angle you want to use, the symbol of the angle, right? L over pi PD, right? It's tan alpha equal to lead over pi multiplied by PD. Therefore, to get the helix angle, we say alpha equal to the arctan of lead over pi multiplied by PD. And then from here, let's substitute. It's arctan into lead, it's 36 over pi multiplied by pitch diameter. We found it to be 71, right? Therefore, our helix angle will be, okay, let's put everything into the calculator. Okay, we find the helix angle to be 9.17 degrees. That's the helix angle. Okay, so that's the answer for 10.2.2. So now let's carry on and solve 10.2.3, right? 10.2.3. Okay. Okay. 10.2.3. They want us to calculate the leading angle. So leading angle equal to helix angle plus the clearance angle. These are angles, guys. These are angles. Okay. These are symbol for angles. Okay. We do have the helix angle. We found it to be 9.17 degrees, and the clearance angle is given. Yes, it's given. It's there on our scenario. It's given as 3 degrees. And then we find the leading angle to be 12.17 degrees. Right? So this will be the answer for 10.2.3, right? Okay, now let's carry on and solve 10.2.4. They want us to calculate following angle, right? The following angle. Okay. Ten point 2.4, they want us to calculate following angle, and following angle, guys, it's given as following angle equal to the helix angle minus the clearance angle, right? It's more or less the same as the leading angles. The only difference is that in this case we minus the clearance angle from the helix angle. Okay, so the helix angle, we found it to be 7.9.17 degrees, then minus the clearance angle, which is given on the scenario, right? And then we find it's going to be 6.17. We find the following angle, right? Following angle, we find it's an angle, guys. We find following angle to be 6.17 degrees. So this will be the answer for 10.2.4. Okay, so now let's carry on and solve 10.3, right? We are wrapping up 10.3, guys. They want us to name 3 advantages of a bolt with multiple screw threads, right? So they are there in your textbook, right? That's where the theory part comes in, right? They are there in your textbook, guys. You should familiarize yourself with these advantages and the question we did in 10.1. It's theory. 10.3. Okay, let me switch my pen. Okay. Okay. One of the advantages, guys, is that it has higher efficiency. It has higher efficiency. It has higher efficiency than a single start thread, right? One of the advantages is that it has higher efficiency than a single start thread. And then secondly, it provides it provides faster engagement and disagreement. Okay, it provides faster engagement and disagreement. And then lastly, it has greater linear movement per resolution. Right? It has greater linear movement per resolution, guys. I'm sorry about that. Per resolution. So that's it for this problem, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you, guys. Lead a colorful day.